Hi, my name is Terrence Wind, Community Sales Manager with Trumark Homes at Lope. Lope at Solis Park is Trumark's newest collections at Gray Park neighborhoods in Irvine. It offers 3-story single-family homes ranging from 1,640 to 2,419 square feet, with 3 to 4 bedrooms and 2.5 to 3.5 baths. Here at Lope, you get to enjoy the Irvine lifestyle with a lot more flair and vibrancy than you would in any other Irvine community. The attention to detail is phenomenal. Residents can enjoy the benefits of seamless indoor-outdoor living with trifold doors that open to the yard, 2-car garages with the option for an extra carport, and large, airy, and modern designs. One of the biggest selling points at Lope is that almost every floor plan offers a large deck space on the 3rd floor. You can enjoy the stunning views of the city, including downtown Irvine, and just really soak up the SoCal indoor-outdoor lifestyle. It's a very unique feature, and it's great for relaxing and entertaining. Solis Park is the newest community at Gray Park neighborhoods, and residents are going to love everything it has to offer. It features excellent schools and fantastic amenities. The Retreat is a brand new amenity at Solis Park. Residents can cool off by the pools, meet on the covered outdoor lounge, or simply decompress by lounging on the lawn. This will be the perfect place to get away, yet staying close to home. The best part about living at Lope at Solis Park is being within reach of everything inside the Gray Park master plan. You've got signature parks, recreation trails, pools, and so much more. It's also home to the famous Orange Hot Air Balloon, where both residents and non-residents can climb aboard and enjoy the incredible views of the city of Irvine. With so much of Orange County at your front door, you really can't go wrong with the locations when you live at Lope. Residents can take advantage of living near 2 great schools located right within Solis Park, Patola High Schools and Solis Park K-8. Working professionals can easily hop onto the 5 freeway and the 405 or the 133 and 241 toll roads for a stress-free commute to explore a variety of great hiking and biking trails and experience some of the best dining and entertainment close to home. Lope at Solis Park will offer 5 floor plans for a total of 47 homes and a variety of design options to help personalize your spaces to fit your lifestyle. We can't wait to show you around.